So hi everyone, we are here to present our solution VigilX. So first of all, as you can see, this is the sign up page where you can sign up as a new user. Since we don't have an account, we'll first sign up, and this is the sign up page. So I'll start by creating a random account. Let's say ayush12@bob.in, and I set up a random password, and I have to give consent to collect my behavioral and location data for security purposes. And after this I just sign up. So as you can see, we have signed up successfully. Now the first step is we'll have to give our device and location biometrics. We have to provide access, so it asks for permissions, and I allow it, and it detects your location and device biometrics and IP address. It gathers that information for later use. Now it will check your typing rhythm. So this is a first time process. When you sign up for the first time, it will collect some data of yours, some behavioral data, for later verification purposes. So it wants to check my typing rhythm. So let's say I have to write something anything that comprises at least of 50 characters. So let's say I type my name is Ayush Dikshit. How are you doing? I am good. So it understands my typing rhythm and it just asks me to write something. Similarly here also I'll have to write something. Similar process you can do over here, and finally it will track my mouse dynamics. So this feature is to integrate the user's mouse patterns. Like we track mouse velocity that is for a particular user, that is fixed for a particular user. So it will ask me to move my cursor here, so it can detect my mouse rhythm. So once it detects, and then I can create a security profile. So I have successfully signed up, and I'll show you the this is the page which it will land me to. So here it will calculate a trust score. See, this is my current trust score. Now based on my behavior, if I do something which is not persistent to my user behavior, like I move the cursor very rapidly, which is not generally in the case of humans, so it will the trust score will drop below, and it on the first security layer it will ask me for a voice authentication. So this is the voice authentication part. I have to initiate scan, and then I'll allow it my permission. So here it will ask me 3 questions.
Can you tell me about something you enjoyed doing today?
I went to a concert and it was very lively.
What is something you're looking forward to this week?
Gibberish. So what I have did here is to show you I have passed the first test, and I've intentionally failed the second test, so that it can take us to the next layer of security. If we fail this process 2 times, it will ask for a video verification. Let's see, let's try it again.
What's something that made you smile recently?
Gibberish. See, the authentication has failed because I have answered incorrectly too many times, more than 2 times. Now it will ask me for a video verification. So this is the second layer of verification. If I have completed the first layer of security, like if I have completed the authentication on the very first step, then I won't be needing to do this part. But since I failed the first part, it will ask me for a video verification. If I pass this, then I can get back to the user interface. So let's see this video we have two features here. One part is video KYC. So basically it is a challenge response pair simulation where some challenge will be given to me and I'll have to do it in the real time. So this can protect the deepfakes and the application of deepfakes in real time, where the real time feed is manipulated by deepfakes. So this is for that. And other one is 3D biometric analysis. It measures the depth of your face and the 3D structure overall to make sure that the person on the other side is a human and not a deepfake. So I'll show you the video KYC part. It will ask for my permission. So as you can see, it is asking me to. As you can see, it has correctly verified the action, and any deepfake or AI generated video cannot do these kind of actions. We can manipulate what kind of action is required. These are generated currently by Gemini API, and this can be adjusted for suitable actions. So we have successfully verified. Now as you can see, we are back on the user dashboard. So now to show you the part where it blocks the user if the trust score drops below a certain percentage by successively failing the test. If we fail the audio verification as well as the video verification, it will block the user immediately from the user interface and will generate a threat on the admin dashboard size. So to show that, I will fail the audio authentication and then I will fail the video verification as well to take you to that part.
What is something that made you smile this week?
Gibberish, blah blah.
What is something you saw or experienced today that made you smile?
Blah blah.
What's something that made you smile recently?
Gibberish. So you can see we have intentionally failed this part. So now we are on to the video verification part. So as you can see, I'm not doing the action it is asking me to do. So I'll fail this verification. As you can see, there are multiple verification failures detected, and for security reasons your session will be terminated and this activity will be logged. So I will be logged out immediately and a thread will be generated on the dashboard side. I'll show you that. So as you can see, we have been logged out. Now to show you the admin dashboard, we are using the admin credentials to log in. I've shared the credentials in the project details also for you to check. So admin@bob.in. 543. Sorry. 543. This is the admin dashboard. So here you will see all the user profiles, all the users who will sign up and do some activity on the user interface will be displayed here. As you can see, we just logged in through these credentials, ayush12@bob.in. So it has tracked all its details, from which device the login was from, which platform, with what kind of screen, which time zone, and also the IP address, location, and the ISP details. And these are the typing profile and the mouse dynamics which we were asked to be given. So they are captured here for later purposes, and the information regarding all the users can be stored here. Now moving on to the other section, which is the flagged attackers. So as you know, I was flagged because I intentionally failed the authentication test. So as you can see, my profile has been marked here as an attacker because I failed the authentication at this particular time at 7:02 p.m. On 10th of October. So it tracks my details and it stores the credentials. So it basically acts as an intelligence and it will immediately block all the activities related to these server from where the attacker has been trying to attack on the systems. So this was our solution, and thank you.